Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make money online using Microworkers step by step. Perfect for beginners in 2025. This platform is great if you want to earn a small amount of money by completing simple online tasks. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here, first of all, you just need to understand what is Microworkers. So Microworkers is an online microtask platform where companies are and individuals post small jobs. These jobs this job can be anything from testing apps, writing reviews, sign up on website to doing quick research. You get paid for each complete task and payments add up over time. So first of all, you just need to create a free account in Microworkers. And you can see that slogan is work and earn or offer a micro job in here. So first of all, you just need to visit on microworkers.com and then click this register button. Once you click over here, then you will get this kind of a form in here. So you just need to fill in your name, email, password, and country. So I'm going to fill this one. So here you can see we have to step that new account creation. I'm going to give the name that will be Rahman Iqbal. Then this is the optional, you can give it or you can leave it. Now here you just need to provide your birth date, so I'm going to provide it. And once I did, then I will come over here and I will provide the email in that place. So here I will copy my email address from that place. This is my email address. I will go over here and I will paste it in here. Similarly, I'm going to give a password in that place. I already did. Then you just need to provide your address, like the valid home address. So I'm going to give that one, Dhaka, Nance. And similarly here you just need to provide the address number 2 if it is needed. So I'm going to give that bright color. And you can provide the zip code. This is the zip code, and city is Dhaka, and state of region, you can say city will be the Chronicons, and state is Dhaka, and country of residence is Bangladesh. And here employee subscriptions, so I will say that will be newsletter, and this, and just click submit. Once you did, then here it will take time. So here new password must meet at least 3 literal rules. So here I just need to provide that one. So here I'll click over here and I can generate a password from any place. Let's say I think this will be a good one. So I am going to submit this one. Just click here, and once I did, I hope they will accept this one. So here your account has been created. The verification email was sent to the address, so I just need to check my mailbox. So here I will click over here and I will check that. Here you can see it. So here you just need to click this one and click here to activate your account. Congratulations, your account is now active and you will come logged in. So you just need to accept the terms and complete the captcha. You will receive email confirmation and click the link to activate your account. I already did. Now I just need to log in here. So here you just need to provide your address. This is my email address. Actually, I will provide it here. Then I will give the password. Then I will solve the captcha. So the captcha, you can see it. This one is the captcha, and I will click on login. This is the wrong captcha, so I just need to provide it again. So in this way you can solve the problem. So you just see it 6 3 and actually it's 7 1, and here you just need to click login. Okay, the captcha is wrong again. Maybe there's a couple of problem again. Let's try it. So here you can see that we already solved the captcha and we are already landed in that place. And here you can see we have a couple of job name and they're paying a good amount of money. So now you just need to set up your profile. Once we're logged in, you just need to go to the profile and fill in. So I will come over here and you can see there is a couple of options we have in the top toolbar. So from that place, I'm going to set up my account. So I'll click over here to the account one, and here you can see they accept verify phone, then verify PayPal, verify Skrill, and many more. So here you just need to provide all of these things as it you want, and then micro payment, like I can say the payment details like skill and sales areas to interest, you just need to provide it here. So you just need to understand the dashboard right now. You just need to go over here, and here you can see this is the place. So I will click over here to the job, and here you can see this is the job. Let's tell you the dashboard. So here, once your dashboard, you will see jobs available, list of tasks. You can do it in here. You can see this is the job. You will get to see, and job finish, your complete task, then pending task, like task under review, where you can see it. Then we have another one, like here you can see. Then one another one is balance, how much you have earned so far. How to find choose job, like you just need to click to the jobs, and here we have this one like 80 jobs. This is like our jobs. So you just need to click over here this job one, and you can filter tasks by categories. And a task, like here you can see we have that like qualification, testing, mobile application, service, sign up. You just need to click over here, sign up, and once you did, then here you just need to be search and click data entry application to do jobs with a good pay to time ratio. For example, if a task pays you 0.15 cent and task 2 minutes, that's worth more than 20 tasks that task 10. Like let's say I'm going to click on this one, Gmail create. So here your account is not fully verified. You won't be able to accept new jobs until one of these completed it. So here you just need to be add the payment before starting the work. So you just need to remember that one. So now let's talk about completing a task. When you click on task, you will see task instruction. Follow them exactly. Like here, if I go to the job, and here if I open one of them, let's say does I'm get this one. No, I'm not Apple. So you just need to click over here, verify PayPal, and then you just need to connect your PayPal account in here, and then just click to the login. Some error happen in here, some of error happen. So click over here, sign up, and here you just need to continue with this one, and then click confirm, and here you will able to connect it with that. Login will come back, so sign up with that one, and then you just need to click on this one. I hope you understand how easy the process was actually. So the process is very simple. You just need to provide that thing easily, and you will able to work in that platform. So now let's talk about get paid. You just need to go over here, withdraw. Once the task is approved, payment is added to your balance. Microwork has minimum withdraw amount, usually $9. You just need to go to the withdraw in your dashboard, select your payment method, and request a payout. Like here, you just need to place a new withdrawal request, and from that you can withdraw with the bCash, bank transfer, and minimum withdrawal is $20 with bCash, and minimum with the Skrill is $5. So let's give you tips to earn more in Microworkers. So here's how to maximize your earning. You just need to do high paying task first, then be quick, have limited sports, and maintain a high success rate. If too many of your submissions are rejected, you might get fewer jobs offered, and work daily to keep a steady flow of income. So I hope you understand, and that's how you can start making money on online with Microworkers in 2025. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more money making tips, and comment below if you tried Microworkers papers. Thanks for watching.